Hey guys, welcome back to Budget 4x4 Life. If you're interested in Booloumba Creek, then this is the video for you guys. I'm gonna make sure to show you all the campsites, all the forward driving tracks that's available, and take you to the popular waterfalls that this place has to offer. Make sure to sit back and relax, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. Very good morning. I'm here at Sunshine Creek camping. It's a private property, which is awesome. It's just like up the road from Booloumba Creek camping areas. So it's very cool, especially in the public holidays like now. I reckon it's going to be very crowded over there. So I decided to come and stay here on this private property. You can find it at Hit Camp. I'll leave the link in the description. But yeah, guys, it's looking absolutely fantastic. And there's like a running creek here as well. So yeah, I'm super excited. I just arrived. It's about an hour and a half drive from Brisbane. So yeah, I'm very excited to set camp up and yeah, go hit some tracks. Let's get into it. Awesome, so now it's time to open up the tent. So this is a brand new Coleman 4-person instant up tent. So yeah, let's cut it open and I'll show you guys how quick it is to set up. Alrighty guys, it took me about 15 minutes to set up for my first time, so I reckon next time will be about 10 minutes. Just a quick tour. So this is the 4-person, but as you can see, this is a queen double-sized bed space there, just for, you know, your luggage and everything. So perfect for 2 people. I wouldn't go more than that. So if there's like 6 people, then I would definitely go bigger tent, and if you're 4 people, I'll go the 6-person. But yeah, just to pump up this tent, it took me 30 seconds with the blower, and then just this little guy here, just to make sure the mattress is nice and hard. And then just quick about this tent, so it comes with a battery pack, so that's pretty cool. So I'll just show you guys what it looks like. So you just put batteries in there, and then you can charge your phone via USB. It's also got like a red mark here, so it shows you that's the right corner for the cover. So you don't have to, you know, mix it up and not know which side is which. So yeah, that's pretty handy. And then of course it also comes with this awning, so that's pretty cool. And it's also a dark room, so if people shine their lights on there of their car, you won't be disturbed inside the tent. Alrighty guys, so that is camp set up. So just some quick information about this place. There is no toilets, there's no showers, so you've got to be self-sufficient. Yeah, that's quite important. But there's a beautiful creek here to swim at. It's super clean, and yeah, I reckon that's awesome. And there's obviously not a lot of people here, so it's not so crowded. The plan is now to head to the forward drive tracks or the Balumba Falls and just go from there. And I'll show you guys all the campsites and what they look like, just so you get a rough idea of what you can expect coming to Booloumba Creek. Let's head off. Awesome, so this is area 1. It's a very nice and clean site. It's tent camp only, so no camper trailers. It's looking really nice, and each site gets a fire pit as well, so that's an added bonus. And it's a nice flat even ground floor for your tent. There's also a nice little creek here in camp area 1, and there's also some toilets, so that's pretty good. When it comes to camping area 3, I reckon this is so far the best spot to be. It definitely feels a bit more like in a rainforest, which is pretty good. There's also some bathrooms available, which is great as well. And then an awesome creek. Let me show you guys what this looks like. Guys, this place is unreal. Like, there's so many streams and like swimming holes. Like, I wish it wasn't winter, otherwise we'd jump straight in, because I reckon it's a bit cold. But man, summertime, I'll definitely be back. But yeah, campsite 3, wow, what a cracker. Also, this is camping area 4. This is the only one that's allowed camper trailers, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So if you have a caravan or a trailer, this is the area for you. There's also some toilets available as well, which is great. I am unsure about showers. I don't think there's showers available, but I might be wrong. I'll let you know right here. Alright, we're now gonna make our way up to Balumba Falls, which is about 9 kilometers from where I am, or where campsite 4 is. So yeah, definitely low range is needed for this one, just to be better on the gearbox. And yeah, but yeah, all fun. Let's go. Alrighty, so I just stopped at the car park, so on my way to Balumba Falls. I can hear the water, so yeah, let's go for a great walk. How good is camping, everyone? Like, seriously, come out here, enjoy your time in nature, and I don't know, break away from the busy city. It's so good to be out here. Like, wow, nature is beautiful out here. I definitely recommend coming here, guys. And this is an awesome walk. It's also not too cold in the winter like it is now. Some people don't even wear jumpers, but yeah, it's not that warm like you can swim. But anyway, I'm excited. Oh yeah, this is great. Okay, I've just arrived to the falls, but yeah, I reckon it's time to send a drone up. What do you guys reckon? This is beautiful. Have a go at this. This place is one word: magical. It's so good. Like, this is my second time coming here, and every time it's just so much more beautiful. Like, wow, imagine how good this spot has to be in summer, swimming in those holes. Like, oh boy, that's definitely gonna be on my bucket list for this year. So summertime, I can't wait to see you again. You gotta come here, guys. Definitely do. And we're back. Alrighty guys, finally back in the car. So yeah, we're basically done Balumba Falls now, Artist's Cascade, and then the Kingfisher Falls. So that's all in this one hiking session basically. So that's only, like I said, 1.5 kilometers long. So that's pretty good. Now, unfortunately, we don't have time to do the whole circuit around like the whole Booloumba. But yeah, basically we're missing out on Peters Creek. So you can do that, and then the fire tower as well. Now that's probably gonna take you 2 days if you want to see this and that, and unfortunately we're running out of time, so I need to head back to camp so I can start a fire and make myself some lunch, because I haven't had lunch yet either, and dinner as well. So I reckon burgers is on the go. But yeah guys, this is basically the main stuff that you can see, and then also the gold mine. Didn't bother going there, but if you're interested in history, then that's the place for you. But anyway, let's get back to camp and transform today in 3, 2, 1. There you go guys, I'm back at camp, so I'm so excited to finally be back, and you know, the tent's still standing, so that's pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna get the fire started, and yeah, just go from there and make some dinner, because I'm hungry. Boy, oh boy, am I hungry. This is looking awesome. Thank you so much for joining in today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the episode, and yeah, definitely make it on your bucket list, Booloumba Creek. It's a crack of a place. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe on the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. For now, peace out.